Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Virgo placement. This is your love reading ngayong September. Outcome ang ating titingnan pagdating sa inyong situation, okay? So, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, if you're interested na magpa-private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yes, so kung may mga tanong rin po pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, okay, for protection po ha, ang ating mga evil eye. And ang ating love bracelet, kung may tanong kayo and ganun rin kay Granter, just message me. Okay, and syempre doon sa ating new item, okay? Yeah, for cleansing. Oo, so let's see. Okay, the person on your mind. Yeah, the person you're dealing with. Okay, Virgo. O, diba? May paganyan. Oo, yan. Nakakaisakit. Yeah. Hang on. O, yan. Oo, tama na yan. Okay na yan. Basa na yan. Okay. So, Virgo, who is the person on your mind? The person on Virgo's mind. Okay. Anong meron sa kanya, Virgo? The Four of Wands. Alam nyo, Virgo, kakagawa ko lang nung kay Leo. Better check nyo rin. Kasi some of you, pwedeng meron kayong Leo na kakonek. Okay? Ito rin yung first card ni Leo. Okay? So, may chance na, yeah. Okay? Magkadikit yung energy ninyo. Okay? So, if you're a Virgo, you can check rin yung love reading ni Leo. Check nyo lang din, okay? So, ito rin, yung kanyang first card, the Four of Wands. Sa pagtatanong ko na, sino tong taong to? Yeah, the Four of Wands. Okay? So, anong meron dyan sa Four of Wands? The Queen of Swords in reverse. Virgo. Okay, so, pwedeng Libra. Okay. The Lovers in reverse. So, may nangyaring endings maybe. May chance na nakagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda itong taong to, Virgo. Okay. Pwedeng, some of you, itong taong to is takot makipag-connect sa'yo. May chance rin na ganun. The Queen of Swords in reverse, this is being afraid or hindi alam kung anong gagawin. Okay? Yeah. Four of Wands, may chance na gusto niya makipag-connect or gusto niya ng relationship with you pero nandun yung takot niya. Okay? Let's see. Anong situation nyo ngayon, Virgo? Anong situation nyo? Okay, the Empress in reverse. Okay, meron ditong hindi napunta sa next level. Merong hindi nag-grow. Or meron ditong parang nawala yung interest. Okay? What's with the Empress in reverse? Yeah, the Eight of Cups. May lumayo. Yeah. Or something may biglang nag-end or nag-pause. Okay. Nawala yung attraction. Nawala yung attraction dito. Ano to? Why the Eight of Cups? Sana walang mga involved. Okay? That is why pwedeng may chance na lumalayo sa'yo tong taong to. Okay? The Eight of Pentacles. Some of them, they're just focusing on something more productive or more important. Okay? Sa ngayon. Yung iba sa kanila, may iba rito may naghahanap ng work. Okay? Nawala yung focus, nawala yung interest, binaling sa iba. Pwedeng sa trabaho, pwedeng sa finance. pwedeng sa school, like that. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong hindi na-i-express ang emosyon, I think. Kasi someone is afraid na kumunek. Ano ba nangyari sa past? Virgo, anong nangyari sa past? Anong nangyari? The Knight of Pentacles. Wala. Walang gumawa ng aksyon. Okay, why the Knight of Pentacles? The Ace of Pentacles. The Seven of Cups. Virgo. Itong taong to, may chance na meron siyang, sabihin nating, mga side hustles. Okay? Ang pakikipag-connect mo rito, I think, sabihin nating, nagbibigay sa'yo ng takot. Some of them, sabihin nating parang may kakonect na. Ha? Okay? Meron ditong gustong mag-reach out noon. Okay? Or pwedeng may nag-reach out pero hindi nagkaroon ng same or mutual response or like, yeah. Kasi parang there's no to little action coming from this person or pwedeng sayo. Okay? Ang nakikita ko lang dito, nangyari sa past, may chance sana kaso hindi na-focusan or hindi ginawa ng aksyon. Okay? Ace of Pentacles. Merong gustong mag-offer ng connection sa past noon sa inyong dalawa, pero hindi pwede kasi somebody is already in a connection na. May chance po na ganun. Ha? The Seven of Cups. Maraming involved. Okay? Anong emosyon ito pagdating sa'yo, Virgo? What is their true emotions ngayon, Virgo? The Page of Wands. Hindi na nag-grow yung emosyon. Yeah, the Page of Wands in reversed. Yeah, the Eight of Wands. I think, sabihin nating gusto ka ng taong to noon. Pero noong sigurong nakita ka niya na hindi ka gumagawa ng action or hindi ka nakikipag sabihin nating connect sa kanya, is parang nawala na siya ng gana. May chance kasi na may dahilan ka kaya hindi ka nakikipag-connect kasi pwedeng iba sa inyo alam mong may ka-connect na tong taong to. This is so specific. Ha? So, yeah, may pagdadrop akong nakikita dito sa ngayon. This person, sabihin natin hindi na rin totally nakafocus pagdating sa'yo. Or hindi na masyado or gaano binibigyang pansin kung anong nararamdaman niya for you. Okay? Iniaalis na lang din nila yung kung ano man yung mga iniisip niya. Okay? Pagdating dito sa connection na to, they're dropping this. Okay? Some of you might be dealing with another earth sign. There's a lot of earth here. Fire, water, lahat naman. Anyway, okay. Meron kasi ditong parang alam nyo yung energy na wala pa mang interaction, reject agad. Parang ganun wala pa mang interaction sa inyong dalawa, reject agad. Ganun yung nakukuha ko. Kaya hindi na binigyang pansin. Hindi na nag-grow. Hindi na nagkaroon ng improvement or hindi na nag-bloom. Okay? Ano ba? Ang next action niya towards you, Virgo. Virgo, next action. The Chariot in reversed. What's with that? The Six of Swords. Yeah, the Two of Wands in reverse, they're dropping this. Okay? Sabihin nating may pagganto eh. May pagsaltek na ganun ako nakukuha. No? Sayang, sana. Okay, pero yeah, they're just like, kung anong meron, kung anong binibigay ng sitwasyon, yun lang. Going with the flow. Kung anong meron sa'yo, kung anong nakikita niya, yun lang din. Okay, if you're not connecting or communicating with them, hindi rin sila makikipag-connect or whatsoever. Okay? Some of you, there's blocking. Some of them, they're blocking their emotions. Okay? They're not letting themselves na ma-fall pa. Okay? So, nililimitahan na nila yung emosyon nila for you. Okay? Yeah. Yes. Anong outcome nyo? What's your outcome ngayong September? Outcome and advice for you, Virgo. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. So there's still no contact. Okay, no one is reaching out. Yeah, the Fool. Nandito yung takot. Pero yeah, there's a lot of stalking. A lot of the Hermit. Paghahanap. Both of you. Okay? No one is stepping up dito sa connection. Pero the energy, ang nakukuha ko rito, nandun pa rin. Some of you, the Four of Wands, energy yun ng Twin Flame. Kung naniniwala kayo sa Twin Flame. Okay? So, pwedeng mutual yung feelings ninyo sa isa't isa. Okay? This is like mirroring. Maybe, iba sa inyo, may chance na may age gap or something like, yeah, nagustuhan ka lang or nagustuhan mo tong taong to, pero the situation is not, situationing. Ha? Oo, hindi nakikisama yung sitwasyon. Okay? So, yeah. So, kung meron man na nagtangka na mag-offer ng connection, hindi na lang. Okay? Meron Oo. Yun nga lang. Tinigilan agad. Like, plano pa lang. Ay, hindi na muna. Ay, siguro wag na lang kasi hindi pwede. See? The Page of Swords. This is, may nagtangkang makipag-usap dito nung past. Ha? Okay? Some of you may age gap. Malaking age gap. Okay? The Page of Swords, that's ang edad nito nasa early 20s. Okay? Like, some of them is teens. Ha? Okay? Oh my God. Oo. So, iba sa inyo, yeah, adult na. Kaya, may chance na pwedeng Virgo, itong person mo is sabihin natin married na. Sa totoo lang, yung iba sa kanila is married na. Okay? Iba sa kanila may anak na. So, hindi pwede. Okay? Oh my God. May makaka-resonate kaya dito. Yeah, outcome is walang connection hanggang matapos ang September dahil may takot na mag-take risk. Okay? Takot. Yeah, the King of Cups in reverse, the Moon. May chance na magtatago or tatago na lang yung emosyon, hindi na para ipahayag, okay? The Hierophant, yeah. Yeah. Kasi pwedeng meron ngang kasal dito. Okay? So, anyway, kung kaya nyo na maging friend na lang, I don't know. Oo. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng nakakasama sa trabaho ng taong to or sa isang environment like that, and then eventually bigla na lang nawala, parang ganon. Specific. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Virgo. All signs for Virgos. Okay. So, Aries. Okay. They want commitments, pero this person is just waiting. Okay? Just waiting. Taurus. So, there is emotionally like gap. Okay? May gap na pagdating sa emosyon, trust issue nandyan rin. Gemini. Okay. May chance na may ini-stop na to. Okay? Pero there's like a manipulation na nangyayari. So it's like a tactics, no? Cancer. Okay. Oh, this person, yeah, this Cancerian doesn't like any kind of drama. Okay. Pero nakuha ko, the Four of Swords in reverse, this is reaching out eh. Okay, so maybe they're thinking na kapag nag-reach out sila, drama lang ang mangyayari, so wag na lang, like that. Okay? Leo. Okay, they want commitment. They want to commit, pero the Page of Wands in reverse, hinahayaan lang niya to. Okay? Wala silang ginagawa. Virgo. Okay, so there is tendency na merong mga ina-accept ngayon, pero they're not, sabihin nating, confident. Okay? Kung may mga nag-end, hindi sila confident dyan. Okay? Kung meron ditong distansya na ginagawa itong si Virgo, hindi siya confident. Libra. Okay, this Libra likes you. Okay, but yeah, they're holding back. If this is a past person, they still like you. Okay, but yeah, holding back. Scorpio, they're hiding na gusto ka nila. Okay, hiding na gusto ka. Secretly admiring you maybe, or loving you. Sagittarius. Okay, so they're in their head. Okay, confused. Gusto nilang makipag-usap, pero they don't know kung anong sasabihin. They're not ready. Okay? Capricorn. They're stuck. Okay? You're in their head. Yeah. Maybe this Capricorn likes you. Okay? Some of them, they're being silent. May mga pinaghahanap rin ito pagdating sa'yo. Some of them, may energy rito ng they're stalking you. Aquarius. Okay. So, they love you. They like you. They're being kind. Okay. Pero, alam nilang magbigay ng limit pagdating sa'yo. Okay. Pisces. Okay. Oh. They're living their selves, no? Mas inuuna nila yung sarili nila sa ngayon. They're not open emotionally or invested sa'yo emotionally. Okay? So, there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.